Hello learners, this is your course instructor Apurva Pinbhaze. In this video session, we are going to see an example on isometric projection. So, by this end of this lecture, you will be able to make use of isometric snap option and you can draw isometric projection in 2D workspace. Let us switch on to AutoCAD window. So this is the object for this reference. The same object we are going to create now. So in previous video in introduction, you must have seen what exactly the isometric projection is. It is a pictorial view of an object in which front, top and side, these three planes are visible to you with the detailing of that object. Before starting with the drawing, let us see what we have kept on the status bar. Grid mode, you can keep it as on or off. Dynamic input, we are keeping on. Ortho mode, we have kept on. As usual, object snap tracking, object snap we have kept on. Line weight is kept on because we have to differentiate between construction line and object line. And the new thing that we are going to do is we are going to make use of this option that is called as isodraft or isometric snap. So how we can do that is currently in our workspace our cursor is available to us as an crosshair. So right now I am going to click on this isometric snap option and it is getting converted into isodraft thing. So let us begin with this object. First, what we are going to do is we are going to construct the construction box. That is nothing but the overall dimensions of this object. Main height, width and length. So if this is the direction of observer, which three planes are visible to us? Front, top and right hand side. So let us consider this point as an origin. So this I have taken over here. Towards the left of the origin, how much distance I have? That is 65 plus 75. So I am into the layer of construction. I will go to line command from origin towards the left hand side. So that is 65, enter, and then there is 75 and I'll press enter and escape. So this is the overall length that is visible in front view. Next up we have is side view. So what is the length visible over here? So to draw in this plane, what we can do is we can switch on the plane with the help of F5 function key on the keyboard. Can you see the crosshair is getting changed? Yeah. So this is the side plane now. I will go to the line command and how much is the length here? Yeah, it is 90. So I will type 90, press enter. The next thing we have is the height of that object, and height we can read over here, that is 50 plus 20. So height we can give it as 70, enter. We can track this point and close it. Now what I am going to do is I am going to make use of copy command. So I will select this line, select copy. This line can be seen over here as well as here. I can again go to line command. It will start from here, end at here and here. So this is the front plane, side plane and top plane that is visible to us. Now first thing I observe when I see from this side is this 20 by 20 square. So I can switch on the layer of object line and I can draw that square of 20 by 20 side. So type 20, enter, towards this side 20, enter, downward we will go 20 and towards the right again 20. So this box that was visible to us, that we have drawn. Next what we have is this 75 line and it is going towards the right at distance 20. So 75 line we have to work in front plane. So I will press F5. Go to line command, from here come distance 75, enter. Now I have to again go to right plane, so I will press F5. How much is that distance? So I'll type 20, enter. And if you see, this point and this points are connected to each other with the means of a line. So that line we have drawn. Next what we have is this height we can draw. That is how much? Again 20. So go to line command. From here I am again in right plane only. So I will give it height as 20 and I will join this. Now if you see, there is another line which will be joining this point as well as this point, and that is nothing but parallel to this baseline. So what I will do, I will again make the use of copy command. Go to copy, select the line that is to be copied, press enter, select the base point and copy it in desired location. So now what we have to do is this plot we have to make. For that, these things are to be drawn. For that, what we can do is, first what I will do, I will draw this portion at the top. This line is of how much distance? 50. So I will go to line command. It is on which plane? Top plane. So I will press F5. Again F5. So from here I have to come 50, enter. And again downward, how much distance I am supposed to come? 50. So I will change the plane with F5 and downward I will come 50. And if you observe, this point we have got right now. So this and this has to be joined. So what I will do, I will just continue with the line command and I will join this thing. Now this thickness is given to be 30. So go to line command, select here and draw a line of 30 distance. Press enter. Now this can be extended towards this side which is visible in top plane. So I will press F5. I will draw this line and press escape. Now this is not desired portion. So I can take help of trim command and trim this thing. Now this is the reference point. This we have got. In similar manner, here also there is a line. So what I can do, select this line, copy, click base point and paste it over here. Now this line can be copied at how much distance? 15. So again go to copy command, select this line. You have two options. Either you can copy this at 15 or you can copy this line at 25. Either way you can do. So let us say selecting this, go to copy command, select this plane we have to change to top plane and at how much distance? Type 25, press enter. Copy, select the line, enter. From here you can say 25 and enter. So this is the line that we have got. Unnecessary portion we can trim it off. So I'll trim this and this. So now what we have got, this portion and this portion. So downward we have to come. The thickness is given to be 15, 15. So what I will do, again I will go to line command, change the plane, F5, downward 15, enter, escape, copy command, select this line, press enter, specify the base point, paste over here. So now this portion is not visible, so I will take help of trim command and I'll just trim that portion. Now these 2 points are to be joined with line command. So go to line command, select first point, select second point. We have completed that. Now next thing is this line is visible to us. Again we can make use of copy command. Select this line, enter. From here paste just below that and say escape. For now I do not know up till which distance this line is to be extended. So I will keep it as it is. Now next thing is this inclined line. So if we are seeing from here, angle made by this line with horizontal is the same angle made by this line as well as this line. So what I can do is I can just copy this line at this distance. So how much is that distance? This total distance is 75 and this is 50. So remaining is 25. So what I will do, I will go to copy command, select the line, press enter, change the plane by F5, go to front plane and from here the distance is 25. Enter. Now this line has to be extended up till this point, but we do not know exactly where we have to extend it up to. Before that, for reference of this line, I will copy this line above here. Copy, click here and click above. Now what I can do is I can just go on extending this line. So from here, go to extend, click on this line, Click on this line. We have got the extended portion. Now this extra part we are supposed to trim. So go to trim command and trim it. Now here we can draw a vertical line. Now this portion also can be trimmed. So now we know this can be extended up till this edge. So go to extend and extend this line. And this has to be trimmed. That is up till which point? Up till this point. So go to trim, trim this as well as trim this. So up till this we are clear. Also this line is not visible for us. So we won't keep that line. We will trim that line also. So we are done with it. Now here we can see there is one line and another line, one at this point and one at this point. So I can just copy this line and with this base point I can paste it over here. So I am done with it. So if you observe, wherever this line is getting terminated at this portion and this portion, these 2 points are joined by an inclined line. So what I am doing is going to line command, select first point and select last point and continue. So this is the inclined portion that I have got. Now if you see, the parallel line to that inclined line at a distance of 10 is visible in front view. So yes, we have to again copy this line at a distance of how much? 10. So go to copy command, select this line, press enter. From here, copy it at distance of 10 and press enter. Press escape. So these two things are unnecessary parts, so that we are going to trim. So trim this and trim this. Now next up what we have, there is this triangle visible. So from here, how much is the height that we are supposed to take? Height is not given to us. What we have done is we have already copied this slant edge. So I will go to line command. I will press F5 to change the plane, and from here to here at how much distance? Yeah, that is 15. Enter. So from here now I can draw that vertical line. I don't know how much is that height. I will just randomly draw that line. I will go to extend command and I will extend this line. So now this is this triangle that is visible to us. This line is up till this point and this line is up till this point. So we are clear with this. Now this line having same orientation over here also. So again copy command, select this line, press enter. From here you can copy it to this point. So now we have got this shape. So this line can be shortened or trimmed. Now what is remaining? The straight edge coming from this point. So go to line command, draw the line, go to trim and trim the unnecessary portion. And this is the only thing that has left to be extended. So go to extend command, click on that and it will extend itself to the nearest limit. Now for better appearance, I will just switch off the layer of projection slide and I will see if this figure that I have drawn is matching with my original figure. This shape that I have drawn, this vertical edge is there, this three faces we have drawn, one, two, three, this three faces we have, this we have, and this we have. In this way, we have completed the drawing. Now, this drawing is only comprising of number of lines, horizontal, vertical, inclined lines. So, this is the simple question in isometric projection. In further video, you will see a question which will be having curved surface. Thank you for paying the attention. Happy learning.